Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Being enough. The innermost heart says you are enough. Nowhere to go, nothing to get, nothing to change. No need to grow more deserving. You, yes, you are love. One 1144. High vibes, divine blessings, abundance, grand opportunities, synchronicities, faith, life purpose, and soul's calling. Love, joy, and new happiness are just around the corner, waiting for you. What's coming is beyond anything you've imagined. A rare opportunity or an exciting encounter with like-minded souls that will far exceed your expectations. Trust that something incredible is on the way. Horned cactus, resourcefulness, number 29, which equals 11. Have faith. It's not always easy to have faith and trust that everything's going to be okay. Yet, still you must do exactly that. Because when you have faith, your life will begin to flow in magical ways that never imagined were possible. Have you ever been surprised, pleasantly surprised with how things work out? You have survived everything you thought you couldn't get through. If people are gossiping about you or spreading rumors, don't fall for it. No one is worth lowering your vibration for. Let it move through you. See it for what it is, which is a reflection of their pain rather than the result of your actions. That's a good reminder. Enchanted Loom. Harness the power of imagination to weave dreams into tangible reality. And our last card before we go to our quotes. Foggy Bog, Patience, number 18, which reduces down to number 9. Alrighty, let's see what's in here today. Before you take someone's opinion or advice, ask yourself, would you want their life, their values, their peace? No? Let it go. Perspective number 431,204. The greatest disability is in the mind, not in the body. If you believe it to be true, it is for you, and for you alone. Perspective number 2358. Ask yourself, how questions instead of why questions. How questions generate resources, ideas, and strategies. Why questions tend to create judgments, criticisms, and negativity. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, how can I move past this? Change, why am I unhappy, to how can I feel better? And the last one today, Maybe it's time to try listening to what your body is saying. Drink that cup of warm lemon water. Call that person on your mind. Buy that new healthy meal instead. Learn that new thing. Try a new recipe. Go to bed earlier tonight. Take that walk, bath, or shower. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.